Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you why does your Google Maps not work. So, the first quick fix is that you have to at first check your internet connection. If you are connected to your internet and to your Wi-Fi especially, or mobile data, nothing is wrong. But if you're not, you have to connect to use your Google Maps offline. Apart from that, enable location services is because you don't see especially offline maps and your location there. If you don't have the location services, you can try to update Google Maps if there is any application, because the problem is maybe on their side. To do so, you have to open the Play Store and search for your app. Apart from that, clear cache for your application. In settings, apps, Google Maps, storage and clear cache. And until finally restart your device. Just do a soft reset. It should help. If it didn't help you, you have to uninstall real sound application or wait for Google to send the information. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.